Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Nuts again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to share your Google Calendar. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to share your Google Calendar from your Gmail or your Google Calendar itself, first open up your preferred browser. I prefer the Google Chrome since the Google Calendar is integrated very well into the Google Chrome. And after opening your Google Chrome or your web browser, click on the search bar and type in at Google Calendar and hit enter, and you can see the Google Calendar is on the first result. Click over there and you'll be logged into your Google Calendar with the account you're currently logged into. Now let's click on got it, and over here you can see let's let it load properly, and you can see over here there are your calendar categories available at the left side of the screen. I'm hovering. You can create another calendars, you can subscribe to a calendar, you can create a new calendar from over here and import from URL as well. Let's close this. Now in order to share a calendar currently you're using with all your busy schedule, you can see this is my schedule, this is my calendar which I personally use on this account. I'm not done anything to schedule it on it. Now to share it, you can see the three dotted icon at the right side of the calendar. Click over there, and over here you can see the settings and sharing option available. Over here, click on settings and sharing, and over here you can see your calendar's name, your description, and after that you can see you can click on the get shareable link, and you can copy this link and send it to whomever you want to send, or you can directly add people or specific people from over here, like add your Gmail like this, and click on send, and this calendar will be sent to them, and they will be able to see all the events on your calendar. And you can also make available to public if you want to show them all of your programs and your schedule to people on Google with you. And if not, click that. And with that being said, guys, this is how you share your Google Calendar. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.